If you ask us whether Ukraine should join the EU, yes. For some, it is about politics. But if this is denied us, then these are bricks towards this new wall. When we ask Europe and the world and you, sanctions that would have showed the aggressor that you are strong, we saw that it kept getting postponed and that you continued to want to be economic partners. We saw that it was about the economy, freedom, equality, and the chance to live freely and to not have to be subjugated by another country that has set its sights on our territory. We are trying to defend our country without your support. Why is a country that is across the ocean helping us more? Because there is a wall that we apparently do not see yet. We are fighting for our people to survive and to protect them. A former actor and US President, Ronald Reagan, once said in Berlin, "Mr. Gorbachev, tear this wall down." And I say this same thing to you, dear Chancellor Scholz. Destroy this wall. Give Germany the leadership that Germany deserves, so that your descendants are proud of you. Support freedom. Support Ukraine. Stop this war. Help us to stop this war. Long live Ukraine.